Yippity doo dah, yippity yay, my oh my, it's a wonderful day. Thanks for watching Team Rocket Garage. Oh, Martha! Now I'm really excited to show you guys Martha. Oh, we got the freaking boomers in here. There we go. Oh, dude, those still work, dude. What is that, Kenwoods? It's too much money for this truck. Just put that way so it's facing the driver. Because I don't trust this. I want to find out if this is a good battery though, so I'm gonna grab my multimeter. Oh, hell yeah, dude. Well, that's freaking lame. Ever touch the battery cable? We'll just.
Yep.
Oh.
What's the possibility that I'll be shocked?
0.
Okay.
I mean. Okay, that's the first like funky electric thing we found. So we got gas. We got gas. Listen, we're about to crank this bad girl over. She's gonna fire, but is she gonna idle? Subscribe if you think she's gonna idle. If you've got that much confidence in me, you need to be watching. If you don't think it's gonna start, comment below and tell me why. Then comment again when you're wrong. Martha! No! Still subscribe though. Clutch is not disengaging. The brakes don't work. No steering either. We drinking from the right here, son! Woo! Literally nothing, and the alternator's working again. Check. I don't know if you know, but cast iron. Not light. Master cylinder on. Brakes off. Brakes on. So I've got the steering wheel off, and I've got the brake pedal switch unplugged. The switch tested good, and we've got 12 volts at the one side here, and then the output, which is this red wire with a black line on it. Notice it's coming out right here. So we've got the steering wheel off because the turn signal and brake lights go through this switch. Double check the...
Yeah.
brake light.
Woohoo!
Turn signal left.
Oh, nice.
Turn signal right.
Uh-huh.
Not even touching it. Hold itself up.
Wow.
If you like this video, like the video. If you like me, subscribe. If you don't like me, tell me why in the comments. I need you. Okay, now turn off the video so it's dramatic.